Were you or your family aware of the Holocaust as it was happening? Or?
Yes, because the family was there. Communications ended. There were no more letters. My parents and my bubby were in Europe during World War I. So my bubby used to say, als die Deutschen wollen reinkommen, wird man sie geben Essen und Trinken, sie wollen gehen schlafen und dann morgen weggehen. That was the experience in World War I. There was no conception of what the Nazis could do. So my grandmother expected to see her 3 married daughters after the war because of her idea of how it would work based upon World War I. And not until this one cousin, my grandmother's only grandson who survived, came and really told about how everybody was murdered right there in the town.